Welcome to this tutorial on HTML. Again, another little feature I wanted to introduce you to do is Marquee. So I'm going to place it underneath the main title. So I'm going to change that. I'm going to move there and I'm going to put Marquee. Okay, there you are. And what it's going to do is going to show a bit of text scrolling from right to left. So we're going to put save the elephants. And we can even add a hyperlink, which will be brilliant. For example, a website to do with save the elephants. Paste it there. And we can place just there. Save the elephants site. So you can see there's a hyperlink and we have the marquee going from right to left. And we can click here and that takes us to the website called Save the Elephants, which is this one. And there it is. That is Marquee. Hello and welcome to this HTML tutorial. Today we're going to give you two more features to add to your website to make it even more interesting and nice looking. We're going to add the tag marquee, which is as it's spelled, marquee. And what this tag does is to put text scrolling from left to right. We can even add a link. So we're going to put a link here, href equal speech marks. We're going to paste here, I've got it ready, the website and link to save the elephants. And now we have got the marquee going from left to right, right to left, and we have a link which takes us to this website we have here. And another thing that some of you have been asking about is this size of pictures. So here, this particular elephant picture, I'm going to change the height, which in Spanish is altura, to 400. And that makes it, as you can see, much bigger. And the width is la anchura. We might do maybe 500 and that, or even 600 to respect the ratio. There you are. So now the picture is much bigger than before, or we can make it much smaller. Maybe we do it, maybe do 200, and here we do 100, and it's a tiny picture. So remember, height and width. And that's all for today.